Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So, if you have been following this my channel consistently, you would have been seeing how I actually predicted all this move, right? Which was actually correct. So, in our last week, I talked about gold giving us a bullish move for this week, which it gave us. Last upper one, I also talked about having a bullish move. Also, this week that I did this analysis for, I told you guys that we would have a bullish move. And same thing at this week level, I talked about it. You can go and continue to watch my previous video to confirm. So price actually gave us a bullish move. Now we would want to know where this gold will be going for this week, which is January, for January 30, to the month of February. That is 3rd of February, right? So we are going to know where this price will be moving. But before that, before we actually go ahead, I just want to let you know that I've already set up my Patreon channel, right? So you can go there to check about it. In this Patreon, in this channel, I would want to give you guys an exclusive content, analysis or trade that I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning those trades. You can actually give it a try. If at the end of the month, maybe at the end of February, you can just give it to 1 month, check all this the content and everything I'll be posting. If at the end of the month of February you actually don't really get the value you are looking for, right, or that I've promised to give, all you just have to do is just cancel it, right? Because on that trade, on that account, right, I'll give you three that I strongly believe that we have 70 to 90% chance of hitting those trades. On this channel, YouTube channel, by the way, I'll just be doing random analysis, by the way. But on that Patreon channel that I've set up, it is good analysis. So you can actually give it a try and see if it will actually work. So now back to this gold. If you should take a look at this movement, right? What I believe for this week also, gold should actually give us a bullish move. Currently, we are trading at 1930. By the way, the market is about to close. It has not closed. Maybe once it has closed, it should move away from a level of 1930. So by the way, this week that we are predicting for, which is for 30 of January to 3rd of February, we will be watching out for a level of 1956. So let me highlight this level on this gold. So this is what I'm watching out for. So what I'm trying to say is that for this week that we are predicting for, gold also will give us that bullish move. By the way, gold is giving us a bullish move. We all can see, during all this economic, how will I say, people don't really understand this movement. We all know that this week that we are predicting for GBP, what we say, Stanley or Bank of England would decide on an interest rate, and everything is just confusing about the economy. That is why more and more money is actually going into gold, safe assets, and this is one of the reasons why gold has been spiking up. You can see it throughout last year, October. You can see the month of October we had a bullish move. November, December, even January, we had a bullish move. So basically, that is how price has been moving. So will I say price will continue to move like that? Now that this week that we are predicting for, there will be, the bank interest rate, which will very much affect this our gold. So this is one of the reasons why more money, I strongly believe, will come into gold. So expect more bullish move on this gold. So let's see if we can hit a level of 1956. Maybe then price will continue to go bullish or it will drop. So let's watch out for this week on at a level of 1956 on our gold. So this is why I said gold, we should expect a bullish move. We can also see it is also trading above the 10 period simple moving average. Now, those of you that trade with the indicator, you know that once your price is trading above your 10 period simple moving average, then that is a buy movement. Or what you want to do is look for an opportunity to go long. So that is it. Now to the daily time frame. So we can clearly see that this is an uptrend move, right? So today, which is on Friday, price kind of gave us like a little bit of a bullish move. So have it in mind that on Monday, gold should actually give us a bullish move also. Let's see if possible we'll be able to hit. Let's see if possible on Monday once market opens, we should be able to hit at a level of 1943. Let's see, or 1940, maybe that level. So take a look at this gold like this. So you should see something like, sorry, you should see something like an impulse move. Then a pullback was made that was close to our moving average, but you can see it start the moving average. Now this price has gone again bullish, and now price has tapped this 10 period simple moving average. You know that most of the time once it is an uptrend move, you're having higher highs and higher lows, and there is a pullback that is being made and it's tapped the moving average. You know that there's 70 to 90% chances that price will bounce up and go bullish. So this is exactly what we are very much likely to have on Monday. So let's see on Monday, price will also give us a bullish move. That is why I said for the week that we are predicting, we should expect a bullish move. And I'm going to give you more updates on this gold, more exclusive content on this my analysis on this forest. So check the picture and just give it a free try, and just give it a try and see if I will deliver what I just talked about. So now down to the 4 hour time frame. So I like this level on the 4 hour time frame, guys. So let me take out this level for now. On this 4 hour time frame, we can see that this price is actually rejecting this level. So that is why I said on Monday, once the market opens again, expect price to actually go bullish. So we should be able to hit this level 1940, like I just said previously, this level of 1940. So I would expect gold maybe on Monday it give us that bullish move. It's 1940, and if it will drop, I'm going to give you an update on my Patreon. And if it will continues to go, bullish, I'm also going to let you guys to know. So just watch out for gold for the week.